Welcome back to my channel. Real quick tutorial using the BH Cosmetics primer. We are gonna put that on our face before we start with our foundation, which will be the Photo Focus Wet n Wild foundation. I like to shake it up really well before I put it on my face. Now with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, I love this powder. I use it to set my face and also the under eyes. With a dual fiber brush, I have the ABH Ebony Eyebrow Pomade with a little angled brush, and slowly do your thing. If you like to be more precise, if you need to make up real hair strokes, you can go ahead and go with a pencil first before going with a pomade, but I have a lot of hair, so it's never an issue. Again, bringing back, oh no, don't do that. Bringing back the Photo Focus concealer, I'm gonna carve out my brows. Love it. I have my MAC single eyeshadow in Tempting with a little Morphe brush. It's a blending brush from a kit, so it does not have a number or a name. I'm just gonna do a crease like always, intensifying the color. I am only using this one eyeshadow. One single eyeshadow challenge, I guess. With a more precise brush, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the socket. And you know, again with the Photo Focus concealer from Wet n Wild, we're gonna carve out our crease. Go ahead with a thin brush and reapply on the crease and bring some of that intensity back into the crease. And that is not enough, so we need some shimmer to spice it up on the crease, sorry, on the eyelid, with the Take Me Back to Brazil BH palette. I've done a whole series with it. If you want to check out my channel, it's called the Punk series. Just go ahead and fill out your eyelid with that shimmery white. It's like a cream color, not really too white. Just cleaning up the corners and blending it out. Now, I'm not sure if this is right, but it's the L'Oreal black eyeliner called Silkissime. Silkissime? I don't know, but go ahead and put that on your waterline. Again with the L'Oreal Superstar X Fiber mascara. It's like a 1 and 2. 1 is regular and the number 2 has the fibers. Go ahead and move on to the next eye after you're done fighting your hair. I love the finish. It's so good. This mascara is amazing. I have like really bad eyelashes. They're so short, and this is like a miracle. With my Shade and Light Kat Von D palette, I always use this cool tone for my nose and for contouring. Just without the wet sponge, grab some of the loose powder that you use for your face and go ahead and kind of blend out those harsh lines. I'm kind of like contouring my lips in a way. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you've never seen this before. I learned it from my little sister. With an angled brush, we're just gonna carve out our cheeks using the cool tone color from the Kat Von D palette. And there goes my hair again. Why can't it leave me alone? Like, just to clean up the contour, go ahead and make a sharp, not exactly baking, because I do dust it off, you know, kind of right away. This will help the bronzing and the contour stand out. I have a little e.l.f. blush. I think it was called Taupe, something like that, but it's a little mauvey. It looks a little too warm on the camera, but really it's a cool tone. And just using my Wet n Wild blush brush, I believe it's a blush brush. Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerriero collab. I love Nicole. Unfortunately, it was limited edition, so you know, we won't see it again. It's so sad. I can never run out of it. I have the NYX Truffle, I believe it's called Truffle, and just gonna line my lips very quick and then smear it with my fingertip so it's not too harsh and it creates a natural shadow. Comment below if you do this as well. I love this Nuance liquid. It's like a lip gloss. Yeah, it's a lip gloss and it's very plumping. So it's a little minty and the perfect color for your lips. I swear. I love this product. We all know the Mario Badescu. I'm running low, girl. I need to go to an Ulta. I mean, I need to order it online because there's nowhere near me. No. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so we can see each other more often. You have a good day.